You know how you knock me.
Oh, shut up, young lady. Shut up. This is the house of a pastor.
See this your pastor in the making. I say, come carry me. He can pin me on top hotel window. I say, come wire me like thief. That one not even do.
Enough.
He can't turn me upside down. Use that style where they call say 6'9". I see my neck almost break.
Shut up.
This
Shut up.
Where you see for here.
I said, shut up, you Jezebel. Nelson, did I send you to theology school to learn sex acrobatics?
Sir, I beg, help me ask this your Pikin. Help me ask her because after I can finish with me, I no see another person. I don't want any other customer.
Enough.
Sir, which one be enough?
Eh?
Which one be enough? This your Pikin. He can wire man Kpekus, eh? It's still the hot after 5 months. If you say they can't anoint this your Pikin eating, that will be very small because they can't rod where your Pikin be blessed with, sir. Ah!